a bunch of ruckus, it's because we got a new puppy. And I can't keep the puppy quiet while I'm trying to film. What are you gonna do? Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another Fortnite Emote tutorial series. My name is Brandon Henschel. I am your dance professor and I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. Today you guys are gonna be learning the Vivacious Emote, but before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That way you guys get notified every time I go live or a new video is posted. And join me on my live streams. I got a free hip hop class that's available 3 days a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 4:30 p.m. Pacific time. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. There's the puppy again. It's like, how many times can we get interrupted by the puppy? Cute! But almost impossible to film YouTube videos. And next time you guys are in the item shop, don't forget to use code DanceProfessor. Hook up your boys, support the channel. Really appreciate it. All right, you guys ready to learn Vivacious? Let's do it. All right, guys, so this is how you do the Fortnite Vivacious Emote. It's gonna look like this, okay? This is the front right here. So what I want you to do is I want to take your body, I want you to take your body, turn it to the left side like this, but then look to the front, okay? First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna step on your left leg. So we're gonna go down, up, up. And you're going left, right, left on that, okay? So we're gonna go step on your left foot, step on your right foot, step on your left foot, okay? Then you're gonna give me a little bit of quicker ball change with your feet. You're gonna go right, left, right, step down to the side. You're gonna slide. You're gonna kind of get yourself centered, and this arm's gonna come down like this. Then you're gonna step with your left leg to the front. Then you're gonna step with your right leg and pull it back. Now, let's just put all that together because that was kind of a lot really quickly, okay? 6, 7, go. You've got left, right, left, right, left, right. Hit, down, left foot, right foot, and then from here you're gonna go left foot, right foot, turn to the front. So let's put all that together and kind of break it down step by step. 6, 7, go. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Hit, down, step forward, then step to the side. When you step to the side, this arm goes back and you kind of push your hips forward when you do it. So your hips are going forward. Now you're gonna step on your left foot, because your left foot is behind, and you're gonna take your right arm back, and then you're gonna take your left arm back. And then you're gonna kind of turn to the front, and then you're gonna throw this arm forward to then step out to the side to go boom, okay? Just do that much again, and always guys, if you need it slower, pause the video, go back, rewind it, and just do it a whole bunch of times, okay? A million times over and over again. Repetition is your best friend. Let's try it again, ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Bounce, down, forward, and hit, turn. You're gonna take your left arm, you're gonna push it forward like this. Then you're gonna step on it here like this. Then you're gonna go step, step, step to the right, step here. Then you're gonna step back and kick your chest up like this. And then you're gonna step on your left leg again to go in, hit, okay? So when you do that with your chest is going up. Step on your right foot again, you're gonna go chest concave, and then break your elbows back like that. And when you break your elbows back, you're gonna step down on your left foot. And you're getting lower as you do it too. So this is up high, and then you're gonna go low, low, okay? Then take this left knee, turn it down, and open up to your left hand like this, okay? Then you're gonna take your arms, bring them back up to the front, to the right, and then you're gonna start all over again. So it's like 2 twists that you do with your body. So again, from your chest pop, it's gonna look like this. You're here, you're gonna go down, break it open, turn your body down this way. Then what you're gonna do is kind of bring your right leg in, turn it to the left, okay? And then step on your right foot and kind of go to the right so that you can go left, right, left, and then it repeats from the beginning. Let's go ahead and let's put all that together from the top like this. 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Bounce, down, forward, hit, go hit, turn to the front, and go boom, 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 and up, and hit, turn, shoom, shoom. Now, what makes this super, super complicated is all those little turns there, and you're moving through your movement. There's no real clear, definitive pictures. Even on this part, which is kind of just very salsa-y, the arms are just kind of going. There is a method to the madness. When you step out, you're this way, right? You're gonna now concentrate on your left arm going, you're out here, you're gonna go boom, 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 boom. If you were to keep going, but it does end up stopping after the first one. This, you're gonna go hit, hit, boom, come together, go down, come up, to go step, step, present, scoop, scoop, left, right, left, hit, and then it just repeats from the beginning just like that. So, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's put this on with the music and the scan. You ready to do it with me? Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, there you go, guys. That is how you do the Fortnite Vivacious Emote. Thanks so much again for dancing with me. And if there's any other tutorials that you want me to do, put them in the comment section below and I will stick them on my list and we will do them here. Until then, I will see you guys next week. Peace out.